Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be checking out best trading strategy for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be using that to analyze the market to see how we can make our first $100 trading boom and crash. Okay, this is very important. We did something like this last week, and of course I had so many of my subscribers making over $100 right from there, and I was really excited about the performance. And of course we're coming up with another edition of it in this weekend so that we can keep on learning and making money right from this platform. Okay, so we will be going straight into it, but before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, I will be looking at best trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Make your first $100 trading. Okay, that's what we'll be looking at in today's video. And of course, before we go straight to the charts to check out all these, let me quickly say a few things right here. Okay, one of the most important thing or information you need to know about trading is the trend. Okay, once you get the trend right, then definitely you're going to make a lot of profit with it. Okay, because you just need to follow the trend. That is all you need to do. Okay, but identifying the trend has always been the major problem for most people. Okay, so these are some of the things we will be checking out in today's video. Okay, so for the trend, if the trend is on downtrend, then it should sell. If it is on uptrend, then you should buy. Okay, you should go with the buy signal at that point. Then your support and resistance zone is also very important. It will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, you start selling from your resistance stage, and of course you start selling from, you start buying from your support point. Okay, so all these are very important. Then your lot size is also very vital. Okay, because that will help you to have full control over the market. Okay, so quickly let's go straight to the charts. Okay, so that we get to see each of the assets one after the other and analyze the market. Okay, right from there. Okay, this is boom 1000. Of course this video is coming a bit late because we should have milked the market with this trend, with the downtrend which started from here. Okay, these are actually gone far. Okay, you can see it started right from here, and it has been selling since then, even though the market played around there for a while, but still sold for a very long time. Okay, and right here it's approaching a support zone at the moment, and of course this will keep on selling until it gets to this support zone again. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then it will be selling more, but if it does not, then we may likely have a buy signal right from there, a buy trend signal right from there, and that it's going to buy, and of course till it get. Okay, let me quickly highlight the buy for you. Okay, once it gets here, it should pull back if it's not breaking out below this support zone, and it may likely buy from there to there, and the next place is going to be somewhere here, then thereafter it should be somewhere here. Okay, so and if it breaks out from there, then we should be looking at here. Okay, so that is very important. So these are for buy, that is if it breaks out below these. Okay, so we will be checking out the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course just the way we're seeing it right now. Okay, this had been on uptrend right from here, got to this region, played around there for a while, and it has been buying till it got to this stage. Okay, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then we may likely have a sell trend right from there. Okay, but we need to be sure if it's going to break out above it or not. If it's unable to break out, this should be our first TP if it starts selling, okay, but not at the moment, okay, so because it is still buying at the moment, so we need to wait for the breakout for its clear signal before we start selling, okay. So I'm just highlighting some major TPs that we should follow once it starts selling, okay, and that might take some time before it starts selling, okay. So this is very, very important, but we should take note of all these, okay. So the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Actually, most of these traders actually gone far before doing this video. So you can see this started the the uptrend right from this support zone. You can see got to this region, pull back, went back to break out from there again, because it is on uptrend, so it will always pull back and try it out again to see if it will break out from there. You can see the green, the yellow flag kept on monitoring the trend till it got to this resistance zone. It pulled back. This was a major pullback, went back there again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will start selling, okay. And if it's selling, then definitely we will see some crashing down right from there. So this should be our first TP if it starts crashing. Then the second one should be somewhere here as soon as it starts crashing, okay. Then the third one, okay, should be let me put it here, okay, somewhere here. I think this is cool enough. So as soon as it starts crashing, then we should take note of all that, okay. So now let's check out the last one, which is going to be Crash 500. Crash 500 has also gone up, okay. It's been on a very strong uptrend. It has got into this to this resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out above it, okay. So it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, good, that means it will give us more buying opportunity. But if it does not, if it breaks out above it, we should be experiencing another pullback around there, or probably we can take our profit before it get there. Then if it breaks out above that, then we should be looking at this, and definitely finally if it breaks out above this, we should be looking at this. But if it does not break out that is after it breaks out above this resistance zone, okay. If it does not break out above that resistance zone, then we may likely have some crash down happening, okay. So this may likely happen, so it will sell till it gets to this region. And of course, if it breaks out below that, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here again. And if it breaks out below that, okay, another good place for us to take our profit is somewhere here, okay. So that is it. So we should take note of all these, okay. So all these can be a kind of guide for each and every one of us, even as we trade today, okay. So if you follow the instructions highlighted in this video, then you will be able to make a lot of profits with it. But for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and you can also drop your questions in the comment section. I'll always be there to reply you, okay. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you, okay.